We came to French Lick, Indiana in our little grumman tiger to celebrate my wife's birthday. There are two historic resorts in French Lick. We stayed in one of them, the French Lick Springs. Three, two, one, go! We had a great time here in French Lake, but it is time to head home. So, the airplane is all fueled up and just gonna load the bags and the kids and the family. Then I head out to the skies. Alright, catch you guys in a minute. Let's talk more about my experience a little bit later. First, let's take off. Make sure. Ram, Kavya, you wanna say clear prop?
Clear prop. I don't want to say.
Okay. Let's get some weather.
5, wind, variable between 2, 0, 0, and 2, 7, 0, visibility 1, 0, clear below 1, 2, 1000, temperature 1, 9er Celsius, dew point 2, altimeter 3, 0, 0, 6.
French Lake traffic, grumman 66 Romeo Delta, departing runway 26 French Lake. Lights on, gas, mixture, fuel pump on, I don't see anyone. Oil pressure looks good, fuel pressure looks good. Airspeed alive. 65 knots, rotate. $85 knots. Like I said earlier, we had a great time here in French Lake. One of the best things about the resort is the resort folks will give you a ride to and from the airport, also to the nearby town. This saves ton of time and hassle as I don't have to rent a car and fiddle with the car seats moving back and forth from the rental car. Alright, let's call the approach to get a clearance. I'll see you guys in a bit. Louisville, grumman 66 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level first.
Approach grumman 66 Romeo Delta, looking to pick up an IFR flight plan to Papa Delta Kilo.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, squawk 4067, maintain VFR.
4067 for 6 Romeo Delta, will maintain VFR for now.
66 Romeo Delta, radar contact 7 miles south, French Lake 4300, low altimeter 3005.
3005, altitude check for 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, clear to Papa Delta Kilo via direct, climb maintain 7000.
Clear to PDK direct, climb and maintain 7000 for 6 Romeo Delta.
But it's too sunny.
Okay.
It's too sunny.
Welcome back. We are cruising around 7000. Just departed from French Lake. Had a great time there. The airport is a little bit sleepy. Not much going on. Today being Sunday, there's no one at the airport. They do have self-serve fuel. I think it was $6.32 per gallon, something like that. But the airport employee was very helpful. So French Lake has two hotels, French Lake Springs and West Baden. So both of them apparently are very historic hotels. I think one of them was originally built in the late 100s. The other one is an early 1900s. So we stayed at French Lake Springs Hotel, but we did visited the West Baden. Do have frequent shuttles between the hotels
GPS
and
900
also,
heavy contact Indy Center 121.17.
2117.
also to the nearby areas. It's kind of pretty small town, but it's probably enough to spend a few days or maybe a weekend. Plenty of headwinds going on, so we're doing about 121 ground speed. We still have about 2 hours left, our leg, but so far it seems to be smooth. But looking ahead on the weather, looks mostly VFR. There may be storms somewhere. I can kind of say maybe I'll have to request a higher altitude and or something like that. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, I'll catch you guys in a minute. Oh, quickly, if you like my content, please hit the like and subscribe button to support my channel. This helps out a lot. Also, I keep getting questions about the camera gear mounts I used to film my flights. I put some links in the description below. If you are interested, please check it out. Right after leveling at 7,000 feet, I noticed that my autopilot was not working. For the past hour or so, there was a solid IMC. I've been hand flying the airplane. Luckily, the ride was smooth, so I was able to fly without much of a hassle, but it definitely needed me to focus a lot. Welcome back, guys. So we are about 40 minutes to our destination. Probably flew about 30 minutes far. It was pretty smooth though. The outside air temperature is about 63 degrees Fahrenheit. So not in freezing conditions, so it was okay.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, contact Atlanta Center 133.1, good day.
133.16 Romeo, thank you. Center Grumman 66 Romeo Delta level 7000.
Just confirm that 66 Romeo Delta 7000.
November 66 Romeo Delta 7000.
66 Romeo Delta, let us set a record. Air 81 Mike Charlie, descend and maintain level 200. Air 66 Romeo Delta, line approach on 121.0.
Line approach 121.06 Romeo, thank you. November 66 Romeo Delta level 7000.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, line approach, good afternoon. Advise when you have information golf. Expect the visual approach, runway 21 left.
Alright, we'll let you know when we have Golf 6 Romeo Delta, thank you.
Thank you.
Aviation operation native golf observation 19530 with calm visibility 10 station miles, sky conditions few clouds there 5,500, temperature 27, dew point 18, altimeter 3012, visual approach to runway 21 left, landing and departing runway 21 left and runway 21 right.
Approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, we have information Golf for BDK.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, fly heading 180.
180 for 6 Romeo Delta.
November 6 Romeo Delta, turn left heading 070.
070 for 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, contact approach 126.907. Have a good day.
At approach 2697, have a good day 6 Romeo Delta. Then approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta level 7070.
66 Romeo Delta, line approach, roger. Number 66 Romeo Delta, is going to maintain 5,000.
5000 for 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, turn right heading 130.
130 for 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, is going to maintain 4,000, turn right heading 230.
230 4000 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, on that 230 heading, intercept the localizer, please.
We'll intercept the localizer 6 Romeo Delta. I was totally unprepared to do an instrument approach as the previous controller indicated to expect visual. You will see why in a minute, how unprepared I was.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, looks like you may be on the west side of the localizer there, heading of 200 to rejoin if you need it.
I will turn 2006 Romeo Delta, we have the airport inside too.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, even better, you cleared visual approach, runway 21 left.
Cleared visual for 21 left, 6 Romeo Delta. On the other hand, I should have expected an instrument approach as the current controller was clearing the aircraft before me for an instrument approach into PDK. Oh well, definitely a lesson learned. Appreciate our Grumman 6 Delta, visual for 21 left, we can also take 21 right if needed.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, thank you. Just continue for runway 21 left.
21 left for 6 Romeo Delta.
Speed, cross runway 21 right, Foxtrot, contact ground.
Lights on.
Good speed, crossing 21 right. That's Foxtrot 1 Mike Alpha.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, change to runway 21 right. Traffic's to Cherokee on extended right downwind for 21 right. He'll be following you. Runway 21 right, clear to land.
Runway 21 to land for 6 runway down.
21 left, set up 439.
Number 78 Kilo, your base turns approve. You're following that Grumman that just passed off your right. You're number 2, runway 21 right, clear touch and go. King Air 0 Hotel Golf to the north, frequency change approved. Just remain west of the arrival corridor, please.
Order north approved for 543 Bravo Zulu. Peachtree Tower, Cherokee 103 Alpha Victor, over North Point Mall, inbound information hotel.
Cherokee 103 Alpha Victor, Peachtree Tower, IDEM.
Thank you for flying along with me. I definitely recommend French Lake as your next fun flying destination. I will catch you guys in the next one.
Contact ground 6 runway down.